Welcome to the second video of my channel. In this video, we will discuss about data roles. I will talk about four kinds of data roles: data analyst, data engineer, data scientist, and machine learning engineer. All of these roles are important in the field of data science and often have overlapping responsibilities and skills. All of them contains remote working chance, high employment rates, and great salaries. For each role, I will firstly talk about some main responsibilities of them, and after that, their technical requirements like programming languages or business intelligence tools. Remember that all of the responsibilities and technical requirements can change from firm to firm. For some jobs, all the technical requirements can be necessary, and for some jobs, having some of them is enough. A data analyst is an expert who collects, organizes, and analyzes data to support business decisions. Some of the responsibilities of a data analyst can be shown as data gathering, analyzing the data, and making data visual. The most important technical skills for a data analyst are business intelligence tools and SQL. Generally used business intelligence tools are Power BI and Tableau. Knowing one of them is generally enough. SQL is a really great, important program used for database management. For some jobs, knowing about some programming language like Python or R is necessary. For some, it is not. Knowledge of a programming language is not that necessary for data analysts. However, knowing data analysis libraries of programming languages like pandas from Python would help. A data engineer is an expert who builds the infrastructure for storing, processing, and analyzing data. Data engineers works with other team members to design and implement data pipelines that extract, transform, and load data from various sources. Data engineers uses programming languages, Apache Spark, SQL, and NoSQL databases. Python helps data engineers to build efficient data pipelines. Apache Spark is used for big data workloads by data engineers. SQL is used by data engineers for ETL tasks. Data engineers use NoSQL databases such as Mongo database gained popularity due to their ability to handle unstructured data. A data scientist is an expert who combines statistical and computational skills with subject matter knowledge to extract insights from large and complex datasets. Data scientist is a broad concept that contains data analyst, data engineer, and machine learning fields at some level. Data scientists uses programming languages, SQL, business intelligence tools, and cloud services. Python or R is used by data scientists for data operations and machine learning models. Data scientists uses SQL for database management. They also use business intelligence tools such as Power BI or Tableau for making data visual and creating reports. Cloud services is getting popular in the sector in the past years. Data scientists uses cloud services for building, deploying, and monitoring machine learning models. Machine learning engineers are experts in applying machine learning techniques to build and deploy predictive models to solve real-world problems. Machine learning engineers build out deep learning and machine learning models, recommender systems, and deploys them into production. After the deployment, they monitor the performance of the model and they work on optimization. Machine learning engineers uses programming languages, Apache Spark, containers, and cloud services. Machine learning engineers uses programming languages for data manipulation and building machine learning models. Apache Spark is used for big data operations, and it has a machine learning library built inside of Spark which helps on training machine learning models with big data. Docker is used by machine learning engineers for standardizing the working environment in a project. Cloud services such as AWS is used to deploy and monitor the machine learning systems. All of these roles are important in the field of data science and often have overlapping responsibilities and skills. Thanks for watching my video. You can subscribe to the channel for more data science content. Have a nice day.